Hello, this is John. I'm going to show you how to remove the strap from the Petzl Swift RL head torch for cleaning. It's not the simplest thing to remove. Start with the head torch straps at the back, these two here. Turn them over and you'll see a lug here. If you turn it back over and pull to release this loop slightly, you'll see that you can take this and push it through, but it's not as simple to push through as you think. So what you need to do is, as you push it down through the hole, you angle it while pulling the strap through the other side. It's very difficult to show on the video, but you need to get it at an angle so this point goes through first. There are two tiny lugs to stop it slipping through. And as you push down through at about 45 degrees, I would say, you should be able to get between the two lugs in the hole. Two sets of lugs. And then you should have it like this. So this is where it's gone through, and this is the angle you've got. Now you should be able to just push through and release that band there. So now you've got this band released. Bring that band through the other hole here. It's a bit of a triangular hole. And then you need to bring that band back through again, back through the next hole, which will pull straight through, and the next hole, which will pull straight through. And now you've got the strap, like so. Pick up the head torch. Look at the end, which hasn't got all of the clips and clamps, and pull through. It will come through, although this bit's fatter, it will come through the hole. And keep pulling and pull. And there's a tiny bit here you need to just wiggle to get through. Maybe best to rotate the head torch in its band to get it through. Pull, pull, and then you've now got the plastic bit that needs to come through here. If you've got it at 45 degrees to the body, like so, you should be able to take the lug again and push it through at an angle through that hole. But what you want to do is push it through so that it comes all the way to the top here. See what I mean? So you're coming through, pull it up, 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 and it should be here above the angle, and then you should be able to pull it back and at an angle through the strap hole, through this hole here, and it's out. Bring it back through. You can already see you can have the same issue with the other side. So you're pushing it down, away, bring it back through as such, back through at an angle, turn the plastic lug at an angle, and you're out. Now that is out. I normally wash that with my running clothes on a 20-degree wash, standard 20-degree wash, and of course don't tumble dry, just hang to dry. And then the refitting is just the reverse of fitting it, of removing it. And there you go.